स्मॉलर एरिया आ रहा है, पहले ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं, बाद में बात करते हैं। दिस इज ए सर्किल, है ना। इस सर्किल का सेंटर क्या है स्टूडेंट्स? ए सेक्शन और सी सेक्शन वाले भी अपना माइक ऑन करके रिस्पॉन्ड कर सकते हैं। जब मैं जवाब क्वेश्चन पूछता हूं तो मुझे आपका जवाब मिलेगा तो आई विल फील हैप्पी, मोर एंथुसियास्टिक, मोर एनर्जाइज्ड। इसका सेंटर कितना है और रेडियस कितना है? सब चुप, सब
सेंटर 0,0
है। इसका सेंटर कितना है? 0 0। और रेडियस कितना है? 2 unit. Yes, Nudan is active. And this line you should convert in intercept form to draw it. X upon 2 plus y upon 2 is equal to 1. So this is 2, right? If this is 1, this is 1, this is 2. And on y-axis also this is 2. Join them. Line and circle both are drawn. Then this line has cut the circle into two parts. One the bigger part, other one is the smaller part. In the question, if you read properly, please read the question properly. They are asking you smaller part. They are asking you smaller part, right? So a smaller part means this area I have shaded. Now this area you have to find out. So क्या मुझे फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना चाहिए? यहां पर भी एरिया बिटवीन टू कर्व्स है, तो मुझे क्या फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना चाहिए? एनीवन?
इंटीग्रल y1 minus y2 dx.
Absolutely, integral y1 minus y2 dx I should apply. And integral limits will be how much? The left boundary is x equal to 0, the right boundary is 2. So 0 to 2. Now let us put the value of y1. y1 means it will come from the upper curve. So what should be the value of y1? Nandini Chaudhary? Nandini Chaudhary? Nandini. y1 will come from the upper curve. Upper curve is circle. यहां से y का वैल्यू निकालेंगे और y1 के प्लेस में लिखेंगे। यहां से y का वैल्यू कितना है? नंदिनी चौधरी? Nandini, 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 are you there? Not there. Bad. Sehjbeen. Listening me? Sehjbeen.
Y
Y का वैल्यू, हाँ बोलो।
y equal to 2 minus x.
रूट ऑफ, नो, मैं y1 के प्लेस में, y1 आप शायद यहां से बता रही हो, y इक्वल टू 2 माइनस एक्स, यहां से y का वैल्यू
Root 4 minus x square.
हाँ करेक्ट, वो मैंने पुट किया। y2 will come from the lower curve is a line, this is line, put the value of y1 minus 2 minus x dx. Now let us integrate it. I hope you remember integral a square minus x square dx formula. Somebody from A section, tell me what is the formula of integral a square? Nisha Kumari, tell me root of a square minus x square dx integral formula. देख के बताओ, कैसी भी बताओ, बट रिस्पॉन्ड प्लीज, टेल मी। खुशी सुखवाल, खुशी सुखवाल, देयर इज नो खुशी सुखवाल। हितेंद्र सिसोदिया, कैन यू टेल रूट ऑफ ए स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर? यस खुशी, रूट ए स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर डीएक्स। डोंट नो, ठीक है, देखो पेजेस टर्न करके देखो। दिस इज x by 2 रूट ऑफ a square minus x square plus what is there? Can anyone tell in A section? क्या A section में कोई भी ऐसा है जो इस फॉर्मूले को पूरा कर सके?
A square by 2 sin inverse x by a.
Sin inverse x by a. Let us apply it here. Let us apply 0 to 2. मैं तो सोचा था सिर्फ B सेक्शन वाले ही मतलब फॉर्मूले के मामले में कमजोर हैं, इधर तो A सेक्शन में भी टोटल ब्लैंक, सिर्फ एक दोनों ने रिप्लाई किया। Let us apply this formula, x by 2 root of 4 minus x square plus a square, my a square is 4 by 2 sin inverse x by 2, this is over up to here, minus 2x minus minus plus x square by 2, and limit is 0 to 2. right? Because integration has been done, so removing this integral sign. Now, let us solve this. I hope you people must be writing. Please solve, keep solving. If I put upper limit 2 by 2 into root of 4 minus 4, 0, plus 2 into sine inverse 2 by 2 is 1, sine inverse 1, minus 2 into 2 plus 2 square by 2. This is the upper limit I have put, then minus lower limit. 0 plus sine inverse 0 is 0, minus 0 plus 0. Everything is 0. Now let us solve it. 2 into pi by 2, sine inverse 1 is pi by 2, minus 4 plus 2. Is this the answer? Please match and tell me. ये आंसर सही है? चेक किया है? ठीक है. So please complete it, and this is the area enclosed between the line and the curve. ठीक है. Please complete कर लीजिए इसको फटाफट, and very soon we are moving towards the next question. Someone from A section, Suryansh Verma, will you read the next question, question number 7th of exercise 8.2? I think it is very easy. Suryansh Verma. Suryansh, I am waiting. There is no Suryansh. Ujesh Sisodia, will you read the next question? Ujesh? Ujesh Sisodia, will you read the next question? No, Ujesh Sisodia. Varsha Poswalia, will you read the next question? 7th? There is no Varsha Poswalia. Please read question number 7 from 8.2. Y square equal to 2a. Am I right? These two. So area between these two curves I have to find out. So let us find. First of all, I should draw the curves. इनका ग्राफ किस जैसा दिखेगा? किस अल्फाबेट जैसा दिखेगा मुझे?
सर y square is equal to 2x है वो. y is equal to 2x है.
Sorry, y. Okay. पहले वाले का ग्राफ किस अल्फाबेट जैसा दिखेगा मुझे? The first, it looks like C. भाई ये लेवल पे आके हमें ये एरर, this is not acceptable. We have to be at most firm that its graph will look like C. This is, I have drawn y equal to 2x is a line passing from origin because there is no constant. So if you want to draw it exactly, find two solutions. One solution is 0, 0. Other solution, if x equal to 1, y will be 2 into 1 means 2. So 0, 0 and 1, 2, you connect. This is 1, 2, you connect. So this area, they are asking. Here also, the area is enclosed between two curves. So integral y1 minus y2 formula I have to apply. Okay. Now, limit should be what? Lower limit will be 0 because this point is 0. What should be the upper limit? Upper limit will be this point. Right? You cannot guess कि ये 1 है, ये क्या है. I don't know. So you have to solve these two equations. You have to solve these two equations. Let us solve and get the value of x. So what I am going to do, I am going to eliminate y between these two. So y 2x, this I am going to put it here. So 2x whole square equal to 4x. It will give me 4x square equal to 4x. 4 get cancelled. X square minus x equal to 0. Instead of cancelling out x, cancelling will delete one solution. So do not cancel. take in the left side, take common. This will be x common, x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 0 and 1. There are 2 points of intersection. This is 0 and this is 1. So this point is 1. Now the limit will be 0 to 1. Now let us find, so area will be integral 0 to 1, y1, what should I put the value of y1? Anyone from B section please tell, other than Newton. क्या न्यूटन के अलावा कोई भी ऐसा है बी सेक्शन में जो मुझे y1 माइनस y2 क्या वैल्यू पुट करूं, मुझे बता सकता है? इज देयर एनीवन? बोलो बोलो बोलो, स्पीक अप. If you don't speak, then how I'll feel energized? Adil, Adil, are you there listening?
Yes, sir.
मैं कह रहा हूं कि इंटीग्रल y1 माइनस y2 dx, y1 मुझे क्या पुट करना चाहिए, y2 क्या पुट करना चाहिए? रूल ये है y1 कम्स फ्रॉम द अपर कर्व, सीधा अपर कर्व, and y2 comes from the lower curve of the area. This is lower curve of the area. बताओ, समझे?
Yes, sir.
y क्या पुट, y1 क्या पुट करूं?
2 root x.
कितना?
2 root x.
2 root x. Yes. y1 will come from parabola. Parabola की इक्वेशन ये रही, यहां से y की वैल्यू निकाल लो और y1 की जगह पुट कर दो 2 root x माइनस y2 ऑब्वियसली इस लाइन की इक्वेशन से आएगा, ये रही लाइन की इक्वेशन, यहाँ पे y की वैल्यू डायरेक्ट दी है 2x और सॉल्व कर लो, इसमें कोई मुश्किल बात नहीं है ना? स्टूडेंट्स, हर सेकंड एक टेस्टिंग है. एवरीवन इज रिक्वेस्टेड टू लिसन ईच एंड एवरी वर्ड प्रॉपरली and better you keep solving, then your 100% involvement will be there in the question. Perfectly you will answer whatever I will ask. So just involve 100%, solve it. Those who are not answering, I am doubt that they are solving. So let us integrate this. If I integrate, it will be 2x. Root x means x raised to power half, right? You should remember x to power n integral, x to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Apply. X to power half integral is x to power half plus 1 t by 2, x to power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 minus 2 into x square by 2. Integral limit is 0 to 1. Put the limit 2 to 2, 4 by 3, 1 to power 3 by 2 is 1 minus 0 minus 1 minus 0. Is this the answer? Please check. And someone tell, is this right? Right answer? Okay. Now let us move.
Yes,
This was
sir.
the last question of exercise 8.2. I think in B section we have discussed each and every question of exercise 8.2. Now we are moving towards miscellaneous exercise. From A and C section, those students who have not completed 1 or 2 questions of this 8.2 exercise, beginning ones, please complete them afterwards. Now let us move towards miscellaneous exercise. Yes, the first question of miscellaneous exercise, please see. Divyan Sharma, will you read question number 1 of miscellaneous exercise? Divyan Sharma? No, Divyan Sharma. Yes. No problem. Dev, are you there? Dev Sharma or Arpita Khilar? Anyone? Dev,
sir.
yes. Please
Yes,
read
sir.
question number 1. Dev.
Miscellaneous exercise.
Yes.
Find the area under the given curves
Huh.
and given lines.
Huh.
First part, y is equals to x square. X
Bolo,
is
bolo, bolo,
equals to
speak.
1,
And x equals to?
2, and x axis.
Repeat.
Sir, y is equals to x square, x is equals to 1, x is equals to 2, and x axis.
Okay. And it has second part also.
Yes, sir.
What is that second part?
y is equals to x power 4,
हाँ हाँ
x is equals to 1,
हाँ हाँ,
x is equals to 5,
5. Okay,
and x-axis.
x-axis. Students, these two parts are there. Very easy. Let us draw them. Y equal to x square means x square equal to y. X square equal to 4ay was our standard U-shaped parabola. Right? So, ये उसी की family से belong करता है. So, its graph will also be U-shaped parabola. Draw it. Then x equal to 1 is a vertical line. This is 1. This is 2. This is a vertical line. X equal to 1. And this is also a vertical line. X equal to 2. Now you see which area has been enclosed. This curve, these two lines, and x-axis. They have written x-axis. So this area they are asking. Right? Very easy to find. What formula I should write? Integral area below the curve is integral y dx. You should remember. Area below the curve is integral y dx. This will be integral y dx, and limit will be from 1 to 2. Okay. Y के value put कर देते हैं. Y will come from what? Curve. This is my curve. Y value from here it will be y equal to x square. So 1 to 2 x square dx. Super simple to solve. X square integral will be x to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1, 3 upon 3, 1 to 2. Easily it can be solved. 2 cube minus 1 cube whole upon 3. It will be 7 by 3 s cube units. Now please complete. This is very simple. Now this also it can be done very easily like this. Now what should be the graph of y equal to x to power 4? Can someone tell?
सर 7/8 आएगा आंसर.
इसमें क्या आएगा? इसमें क्या आंसर है? This is right or not?
नहीं सर 7/8 आएगा.
करेक्ट है सर, 7/3 आएगा.
करेक्ट है ना? करेक्ट है. 7/3 है. नाउ मैं ये पूछ रहा हूं कि y इक्वल टू x टू पावर 4 का ग्राफ कैसा होगा? U shaped. हाँ. You should know one fact that y equal to x to power 4 will look like U shaped parabola, just like x square, x to power 4, x to power 6, x to power 8. All graphs will be similar, U shaped. So this is y equal to x square, x to power 4 I have drawn, right? Then they are asking x equal to 1 and x equal to 5. Suppose 1 is this and 5, suppose this is 5. Add x-axis. Then this area they are asking. It can be found easily with the help of same formula. 1 to 5 y dx, because below the curve it is. And y value you can put. And you can find. 5 to power 5 minus 1 whole upon 5 है ना. 5 to power 5 कितना सॉल्व करूं क्या? 25 into 5 आप कर लीजिएगा, है ना. आंसर मैच कर लीजिए. They have solved. They must have solved. Please complete it and let us move towards the next question. Question number 2. Arpita Khilar, will you read the next question? Question number 2.
Yes, sir.
Please.
Find the area between
बोलिए.
find the area between the curves y is equals to x and y equals to x square.
Y equal to x
Yes, sir.
and
And
y
y
equal
equals to x square.
to x square. Let us find. Let us draw them. Y equal to x square is U-shaped parabola. This is y equal to x square. कंफ्यूज मत होना. y स्क्वायर इक्वल टू x टी शेप होता है और y इक्वल टू x स्क्वायर U शेप्ड होता है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, y इक्वल टू x is a slant line bisecting first and third quadrants. passing through origin, draw it. This is y equal to x line. In between them, some area has been enclosed. Shade it. This area I have to find. This left boundary is 0, left limit is 0. Now the upper limit is this point. Now what is the value of this point? I have to find it. It is not given. So how I will find? By solving these two. And because I want x value, so I am going to eliminate y. So y equal to x and y equal to x square. It means x equal to x square. So x common, x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 0 comma 1. This is 0 and this will be 1, point of intersection. Now this is the area between two curves. So desired area will be integral 0 to 1 y1 minus y2 dx. अब मुझे बता दो फटाफट कि मैं क्या लिखूं y1 और y2. आदिल, अब मिस्टेक नहीं होगी मेरे ख्याल से. आदिल, now can you tell what should be?
सर x square by 2 और x cube minus upon 3.
नहीं, आप
x square
इंटीग्रेट
upon 2 minus x cube upon 3.
नहीं, आप इंटीग्रेट करने के बाद बता रहे हो. मैं पहले सिंपल y की वैल्यू y1.
तो सर उससे पहले होगी x minus x square.
यस, y1 की जगह पे
x
यस माइनस y2 इज x.
x हाँ भाई.
यही मैं पूछ रहा था कि देखो y1 will come from upper curve. The upper curve here is line. तो लाइन की इक्वेशन ये रही, यहाँ से y की वैल्यू x, ये मैं पुट करूंगा पहली जगह पे, माइनस सेकेंड प्लेस में जो लोअर कर्व है, लोअर कर्व इज दिस. तो ये है पैराबोला, यहाँ से y की वैल्यू x है, मैंने यहाँ पे पुट कर दी. लिमिट इज 0 to 1. अब इसको इंटीग्रेट करके सॉल्व करना कोई भी मुश्किल काम नहीं है. तो प्लीज डू इट एंड गेट द आंसर. It will be x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 0
1 by 6.
अपर लिमिट पुट कर रहा हूँ 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 माइनस लोअर लिमिट पुट कर रहा हूँ 0 minus 0. This will be 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 means this will be 1 by 6. This is SQ units. Right. So please see this. तो सारा खेल इस फॉर्मूले का है. This formula we are using again and again multiple times. So please complete it and let us move towards the next question from A and C section L1. Akriti, are you there? Will you read the next question? Akriti, third question. Akriti, will you read third question? No, Akriti, there is no Akriti. Aanchal Sharma, will you read the next question? Please. Okay. 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 देख लो, चेक कर लो, मैंने सही लिखा है क्वेश्चन. मैंने सही लिखा है ना? आंचल,
Yes, sir.
इन फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट मुझे निकालना है. तो लेट अस ड्रॉ देम एंड लेट अस शेड द एरिया एनक्लोज्ड बाय देम. तो लेट अस ड्रॉ देम. y इक्वल टू 4x स्क्वायर. भाई x में पावर 2 है, y में पावर 1 है. इट विल बी यू शेप्ड पैराबोला. ठीक है. द स्ट्रेचिंग ऑफ दैट यू शेप मे बी डिफरेंट, but it will be U-shaped parabola. So draw it. This is y equal to 4x square. X equal to 0 is y-axis. This is x equal to 0. Y equal to 1 will be a horizontal line. This is horizontal line. Y equal to 1. Y equal to 4 will be another horizontal line. This is another horizontal line. Y equal to 4. And first quadrant. So this area has been enclosed, but in first quadrant. So in first quadrant, this area has come. This area they are asking. Now to find out this area, it can be done by applying integral y1 minus y2, where y1 will be the upper curve, this line, y2 will be the lower curve, and then these boundaries I have to find out. will take time, will be lengthy. Instead, you can use the other way. You can do it like this, that this is the area below the curve up to y-axis. Up to y-axis. Integral y dx gives the area below the curve up to x-axis. So if I interchange between x and y, means like this. Integral x dy if I do. This will give the area enclosed between curve and y-axis. Now limit will be y limits. The lower boundary of y is y equal to 1 to y equal to 4. And x value will come from the curve. This is the parabola. What is the value of x from here? What is the value of x?
1 by 2 root y.
Yes, under root
Y.
X square will be y by 4.
Y by 2.
Yes, under root of y by 4
Y
is
by 2.
y by whole upon 2. So let us do it. Root y whole upon 2 dy. बहुत आसानी से इसको इंटीग्रेट कर लेंगे. Y to power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 1 to 4. 2 to cancel. 1 by 3. 4 to power 3 by 2 minus 1. 4 to power 3 by 2 कितना? 4 to power 3 by 4 you write 2 square. 2 cube means 8. 8 minus 1 is 7 by 3 s cube units. Just check this answer and tell me is this right or not.
Yes sir, correct है.
करेक्ट है. हाँ प्लीज आप चेक कर लीजिए. और अब बढ़ते हैं हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 की तरफ. Anyone from any section? Chehak Surana, will you read the next question? 4th question. All students, please complete it fast. Rubbing it within seconds. Chehak, please read. 4th question. एक Chehak, can you repeat it? मैं सुन नहीं पाया. Y equal to modulus of x plus 3, yes, and divide by and evaluate. Yes, what to evaluate? Limits are from 0 to 6. नहीं आई थिंक मेरे सामने जो क्वेश्चन लिखा है -6 to 0 है. चेक करो.
जी सर -6 to 0.
-6 to 0 है ना. आपकी बुक में क्या लिखा है चेहक? अच्छा चलो, मेरी बुक में -6 to 0 लिखा है. आप लोग ओके. So all the students they are saying इसको ड्रॉ करना है. Draw it and we have to find it this value. Let us draw this. Modulus of x plus 3. Mod x curve is this. So mod of x plus 3, if I have to draw, what should I do? मुझे क्या करना चाहिए students? Can someone tell? Which side? Left side. Left side -3 पे इधर कट करना चाहिए x axis को. So this is -1, -2, -3. This will be the graph of. थोड़ा सा आपको दिख नहीं रहा है, मैं कैमरे की पोजीशन चेंज कर देता हूँ. Yes, I hope it is visible. So this is -3. शिफ्ट mod x कर्व उठाया और लेफ्ट साइड में शिफ्ट कर दिया. तो ये हो गया y equal to mod of x plus 3. This is I have drawn. Now they are asking this integral -6 to mod of x plus 3. This integral will be, -3 is the point of change. Here the value of modulus is getting changed. So I have to split the limit. किस पॉइंट पे मुझे स्प्लिट करना चाहिए लिमिट? -6 to what? -3. Absolutely. -6 to -3 mod of x plus 3 dx plus -3 to 0 mod of x plus 3 dx. Now in this integral x is less than -3, so this will appear with minus sign. Modulus हटाया, minus of x plus 3 dx, and here x is more than -3. X is lying between 0 and 3. X is lying between 0 and -3. So x is more than -3. So this will appear with plus sign. And integral as it is. Now integrate it. Be at most careful because minus sign is there. 2 terms and 2 terms, total 4 terms. 2 limits when you put double. 8 terms will generate plus minus sign, more confusion. So be at most careful. Minus out. X square by 2 plus 3x -6 to -3 plus x square by 2 plus 3x -3 to 0. And this if I solve, सबसे पहले upper limit, -3 whole square is 9 minus -6 whole square is 36 whole upon 2 plus 3 minus plus 6. मैं पूरा लिमिट लिख लेता हूं जिससे अगर एरर भी हो तो मैं उसको आइडेंटिफाई कर सकूं इंस्टेड ऑफ कैलकुलेटिंग ओरली. जब ज्यादा टर्म हो तो इट इज बेटर टू राइट एवरी टर्म. प्लस 0 -3 square by 2 plus 3 into 0 -3. Let us solve it. This will be minus 36 minus 9 कितना? 27 minus 27 by 2 plus 3. 3 3s are 9 minus 9 by 2 minus 9. है ना? Let us simplify it. This will become 9 2s are 18. 18 minus 27 is minus 9 minus plus 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2 minus 9 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2 minus 9. ये तो मेरा आंसर नेगेटिव में आ रहा है. Is this right, students? Please check. Students,
9 आ रहा है.
मैंने कहाँ पे गलती की, कोई मुझे बताएगा? मैंने यहाँ पे गलती की. 0 minus minus plus 3. यहाँ पे गलती. Is this right, students? Let's check it. Right. Please इसको check कर लीजिए. और it was 4th question of now we have less time for the next period. 5th question. 5th question का glimpse ले लेते हैं. 5th question पे भी बात हो जाएगी, I think, है ना? It is not too lengthy. Let us see 5th question. Please complete it. And let us see 5th question. Someone please read 5th question. Anyone from A or B section? Anyone? C section से कोई बात नहीं हुई है. Rajvi Yadav, will you read question number 5th? Rajvi. Question number 5th, will you read? बोलो. बोलो बोलो. Rajvi is turning the pages. अबे यार, Ishita Bhatnagar, are you listening me? हाँ Rajvi, ready? 5th question. Y equal to? हाँ. X equal to 0 and X equal to? 2 pi. हाँ, okay. धन्यवाद. तो sin x, let us draw. sin x आपका चिर परिचित बहुत फेमिलियर कर्व है. 0 एक्स एक्सिस को मीट करेगा पाई पे, पाई बाई 2 पे ये मैक्सिमम लेता है, पाई then 3 pi by 2 and then 2 pi पे फिर से मीट करेगा x एक्सिस को. This is 2 pi. Now I have to find the area enclosed between x equal to 0. X equal to 0 is y axis and x equal to 2 pi is this line. And this is x equal to 0. This is x equal to 2 pi. So area actually, if you understand this between x-axis and the curve, you can say like this. This area they are asking. So do not directly find the area 0 to 2 pi because above x-axis area will come positive, below x-axis area will come negative. Both are equal. Total answer will be 0, but it is not 0. So 0 to pi total area मैं क्या करूंगा? 0 to pi find out करूंगा और उसका डबल कर दूंगा y dx. In fact, 0 to pi also, if you see, this is up to pi by 2 if I find, then इतने का एरिया निकालते हैं और उसका 4 times ले लेते हैं. This will be best. 4 times of in area 0 to pi by 2. 4 times 0 to pi by 2. Y value, y is sin x. Sin x का इंटीग्रल बताओ मुझे कोई फटाफट. What is the integral of sin x? Minus cos x. Absolutely. Minus cos x, 0 to pi by 2, and be ready to match the answer. Minus 4 out, cos pi by 2 means 0, minus cos 0 is 1. 4 SQ units. अब इस क्वेश्चन में इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है? इंपॉर्टेंट ये है कि द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट इंटीग्रेटिंग 0 to 2 pi sin x dx, your answer will become 0. Why? Because 0 to pi above x-axis it will be positive, pi to 2 pi below x-axis it is. So it will be negative. Below x-axis area negative आएगा. देख लेना चाहे करके. तो हमें जहां कहीं पे भी एरिया above the x-axis भी है, below the x-axis, वहां पे हमें अलग-अलग निकालना चाहिए. This is the important thing. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for being there, attending this class. Bye bye, and leave
Thank
your.
you, sir. Have a good day.
You can leave your
Thank
doubts
you,
or
sir.
questions to me. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
From B section, if someone is left to mark the attendance, I can mark. A and C section can also be there for 1 minute. Yes, हाँ. B section से कोई है यहाँ पे जो attendance mark करवाना चाहते हैं? Yes. Anyone from
Sir,
B?
Divyansh.
Divyansh Jangam.
Yes, sir.